Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Elle and today let's go and talk about a phone that can help you create the content that you want hassle-free. And of course, top that off with 5 of my favorite apps that you can use for content creation, pretty much anything about photography, video editing, and some light gaming. Now it's time to show you guys how to install these apps and get creative with the Huawei Nova 9. But first, let's do a quick unboxing and specs recap. So let's go. For the box, it has a simple white packaging with some Huawei branding on the front and both sides. Once you open the box, you get the phone, a SIM ejector pin, a USB-C cable and 66-watt charger, and a free jelly case. Now let's go over the phone. The Huawei Nova 9 looks absolutely stunning with its pearly and starry design. We got ours in the color Starry Blue, and I absolutely love this color, especially when light reflects on it. And you don't have to worry about fingerprint smudges, all thanks to its semi-matte and pearly finish. On the right side, it has the volume rocker and power button, and on top, it has the microphone. While on the bottom, you can find the dual SIM card slot, USB-C charging port, and speaker grills. Now, the Huawei Nova 9 sports an impressive 6.57-inch 120Hz curved OLED display. You can definitely enjoy watching your favorite videos and playing your favorite games with a nice curved display, stunning visuals at a higher refresh rate. Now, the colors look absolutely rich and vibrant. Plus, scrolling and swiping through apps is such a breeze thanks to its 120Hz refresh rate. Now for the specs, it has a Snapdragon 778 processor with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It runs on the EMUI 12 based off Android 11. Now for the batteries, this has a 4200 mAh battery with a 66-watt charging capability. For the cameras, this has an impressive 50-megapixel RYYB high-resolution camera with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel depth, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. While on the front, it has a 32-megapixel high-resolution front camera. It can also record a 4K selfie video with continuous front and rear recording. And of course, you can check out Cholo's camera test of this phone that I will link right up here. Here are some sample shots taken from the Huawei Nova 9 that looks absolutely amazing. One of the apps that I use a lot for social media content is Snapseed. It's definitely my go-to app for retouching and editing some photos that I use to post online. So it's definitely nice to see that this app is readily available in the app gallery. And the best way to download it is simply go to App Gallery and look up the app that you need. Now, once you see Snapseed, you'll notice it's not really found in the app gallery, but the good thing here is it incorporates pedal search. That's where you'll find Snapseed so you can download the APK file. So go ahead and click the link. Click Download APK, wait for it to load, click Install, then there you go. You can finally edit, add stickers and frames to your photos with the use of Snapseed on your Nova 9. That installation process was super easy and simple, and it's pretty much the same when it comes to installing any app that you need. For example, I'll be needing Canva to make one of my thumbnails or maybe a quick social media post using a photo I took with this phone's cameras. So all I need to do is go to App Gallery, look up the app, and click on the APK to install. It's super quick and easy. And aside from Canva and Snapseed, there's also Kinemaster for video editing. So if you're aspiring to be a vlogger, the cameras on the Huawei Nova 9 has got you covered. Of course, you'll be needing an app that can help you with some quick editing. Then you'll definitely need to install Kinemaster by using either the app gallery or pedal search. So either the app is available on the app gallery or you can easily download its APK via on their website with the help of pedal search. Of course, we'll be needing Instagram in order for us to post the content we want online. You guys know how this goes. You can check out the app gallery or pedal search for Instagram, and once you see it there, just easily click install and it'll be on your phone. And lastly, for the gaming side of things, we have Pokemon Unite. It's such a great game to help you with your gaming content, or you can play it in your downtime, or maybe even play it on stream. And of course, you don't have to worry about running this game on high settings, all thanks to its Snapdragon 778 processor. And the process of installing these apps are pretty easy and straightforward. All you need to do is repeat the same process for every single app that you want to install. And there you have it. It's simple as that. The Huawei Nova 9 showed its strengths in photography, vlogging, and gaming. It produced high-quality images that are perfect to post for the gram and a great set of competitive specs for some editing and gaming action. And on top of that, you don't have to worry about where to get your favorite apps because you can easily download them using the Huawei App Gallery and Petal Search hassle-free, which makes it such a handy phone for young and aspiring content creators out there. So, what do you guys think about this phone? Comment it down below and share your thoughts. Also, don't forget to check out unbox.ph for more awesome content. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more updates. Also, stay tuned to the Unbox Page Facebook page Friday 7 p.m. where I play different games on different phones. Once again, this was me, Elle, and I'll see you guys next time.